The industry is really starting to understand the jump that you make from 8-bit to 10-bit. And as soon as they get that realization how much higher quality you can get from 10-bit, the need and the demand is there. But the cost of 10-bit tape is really prohibitively expensive. So this new product by AJA is going to bring a high quality product at a really affordable price, which to me is exciting, and dealing with a format that has proven out over the last couple of years to be a reliable method of working, and that's the ProRes format. Now you have a product that's a cost-effective product that's giving you 10-bit, utilizing the resolution out of the camera, out of that imager, whether it's an F900, whether it's a Vericam, whether it's an HDX 900, whether it's a Viper. It's taking that technology out of that camera and putting it into a box that is giving you quality at an affordable price. Recording to solid-state flash cards, to me, is the smarter way with whatever type of camera. And so to me, to be able to build a product in that gives you the efficiencies of cost, of doing hard drive when you need a lot of storage for low cost, but also the ability to have a durable, reliable flash medium, I love that. So to have a device that can literally solve the problems of a production, that can literally take in and deal with connectivity issues, is a real problem solver for the set.